In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Gmail. Have you ever wanted to add hyperlinks to your emails? Making certain text clickable can not only make your emails look cleaner, but also makes it much easier for the recipient to visit the linked pages without having to copy and paste URLs. Whether you're linking to a website, an email address, or a document, embedding a hyperlink into your Gmail messages is surprisingly straightforward. Let's dive into how you can do this in a few simple steps. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Gmail. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself looking at your inbox, which is typically filled with all the emails you've received. Now, to begin the process of creating a new email with a hyperlink, look for the Compose button. This button is usually located on the upper left side of the Gmail interface. Clicking it will open a new email window where you can start drafting your message. Now, as you're crafting your email, there comes a point where you want to insert your hyperlink. But before you can link to anything, you need to have some text that you'll turn into a clickable link. Let's suppose you've already got that covered. The next step is to find the link icon, which is conveniently placed at the bottom of the composing window, right next to the attachment icon. This link icon is what you're going to use to transform your selected text into a hyperlink. After clicking on the link icon, you're then prompted to type in or paste the text you want to turn into a link. This is where you input the clickable text. It can be anything from "click here" to a more descriptive sentence like "visit our website for more." Whatever text you decide on, type it into the designated box. Following this, it's time to associate this text with a URL, which is the actual link that your text will redirect to upon being clicked. So the next step is to paste the link you want this text to point to in the given field. It's crucial that the link you paste here is correct, because any mistake might lead your readers to an error page or a completely different site than intended. After you've pasted the correct link, all that's left is to click on Apply. By doing so, you confirm that you want to create a hyperlink out of the selected text, effectively embedding the link into your email. And just like that, you've successfully added a hyperlink to your email. Let's go over a few additional tips to enhance your hyperlinking skills in Gmail. First, always make sure that the URLs you're linking to are active and correct. Sending a colleague or a friend to a broken or incorrect link is not only inconvenient for them, but can also be embarrassing for you. Second, when choosing the text that will serve as the hyperlink, be mindful of how it sounds or reads within the context of your entire email. The clickable text should be informative or at least hint at what the link is about. This clarity helps in making your emails more user-friendly. Using hyperlinks in your emails is an excellent way to streamline communication and make information easily accessible with just a click. Whether it's directing someone to your portfolio, sharing a Google Doc, or just linking to a funny meme, the ability to add hyperlinks directly into your Gmail messages is a handy skill in both professional and personal contexts. Remember, the key to effective hyperlinking is ensuring the linked content is relevant and the descriptive text is clear and enticing enough for someone to want to click through. That's all there is to adding hyperlinks in Gmail. Try it out for yourself and you'll see just how easy and impactful this simple feature can be in enriching your emails. Whether you are a professional looking to make your business emails more interactive, or simply sharing interesting content with friends, mastering the art of hyperlinking will undoubtedly elevate your Gmail game. Happy emailing, and until next time, keep exploring all the great features Gmail has to offer.